Alright, you guys, so I just did my makeup. I decided not to take my ponytail out because I don't feel like redoing it all. I just really touched up my edges and then put a scarf on so that it will be nice and flat. I'm really not feeling my look today. Really not. Got to go get my nail fixed because do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Look at this. Just look at this. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. This morning I met with a client to do her website, finish it up. Now I'm about to meet with Courtney and help her out with her website. Y'all, I'm still not feeling good. Still not feeling good. I really don't want to leave my bed today, but I don't have another off day until Saturday, so I'm gonna try to make the best out of today.
You over there talking to your people?
You don't want to talk to my people? You don't fuck with May May gang? Mikey.
What's up, May May gang?
What's up, May May gang?
Oh shit.
Anyways, I got bags in the coop. Busting up the roof. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Really don't know what I'll be doing today. Hopefully I'll link up with my friends because they love me. Alright, but yes, I'm about to go ahead and try to get some food in my stomach, get my nails fixed, link up with Court.
Run down.
Ouch, my freaking finger. Oh, that shit hurts. That shit hurts. You guys, I really need to be cleaning my room, putting some food in my stomach, and getting on with my day. I doubt y'all want to see me clean my room. I doubt y'all even want to see how messy my room is. So, my mirror is kind of telling on me by reflecting what's in here. But yes, I need to just get my life together right fast. I feel like I'm gonna end up changing my hair by the end of the day. So, Mike, what type of hairstyle did we decide on?
Decided on a lot.
Well, I'm gonna try to pick out a new hairstyle. Cause I know in my next vlog I do not want this ponytail. It's probably just gonna go back to straight until I can buy some new hair. But anyways, other than that, thank you guys for coming to my channel. I hope you guys enjoy whatever the fuck I do today. But please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Help me get to 100 subscribers so I can really call you guys May May gang. Help me get to 100 subscribers so that I will have my May May gang. Mike, I feel like I feel like in every video I need to have some type of motivational push. So what should my little spiel be? What should it be? Come on, I don't have much time.
I don't know.
What
Motivates you?
What motivates me?
Money.
Anyways, today is a beautiful day to make that coin. So whatever you're doing, try to get an extra $1 in your pocket today. Think about what you can sell 10 times a day for $10. It's a great day to make some money. Every day is a great day to make some money. What else? Think to yourself, every $1 that I spend, I'm making back twice as much. That's what I like to say. Mikey, what else?
Think about something that'll make you great every day.
Think about something that'll make you great every day. I make myself
think of something good.
Think about how you can improve your life today, you guys. Drink some water. Yes, drink some water for that clear skin, healthy glow. Drink some water, do something for yourself today. Try to get an extra $1 in your pocket if you can. Just try to be productive. One thing that I like to tell myself is every day I want to try to do at least one thing productive that'll get me closer to my goals, no matter what it is. So if you have a list of things that you've been procrastinating to get done, go ahead and get that out the way today. This whole video is pretty much just gonna be me talking in my room. Let me me go ahead and start. Should I clean my room first or should I eat first?
Clean your room first.
My room is a hot ass mess. I won't finish. I will never finish.
You got a fucking off day.
I got a fucking off day. Alright, you guys. I'm gonna really try to go ahead and start cleaning my room, I guess. My finger hurts so bad though. I kind of want to eat, get my nail fixed, smoke, go out, do whatever else I'm doing for the rest of the day, and clean my room last. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hold on, let me call you right back. Answer this phone. Answer this phone, please.
Yeah.
Let's call Court to see if she thinks I should get my nails done first.
Hello.
Hola.
What are you doing? Oh, your lashes look really good today.
Ooh, thank you. Tell me why I just broke another nail, bitch. This one I had to do surgery on. It was bleeding and everything. Like,
oh, ew, that's nasty.
I need to get it fixed now.
Well, go get it fixed. I'm hungry. I have to go.
I'm hungry as fuck too. I'm starving. I'm like, do I need to fix my nail first or do I need to eat first? I'm trying to figure out where Court is.
Meet me at my house and we're gonna go eat.
Okay, well, I'll just get my nail fixed first and then I'll meet you so we could get something to eat.
Hurry up. I'm gonna be home in 30 minutes.
I'm gonna hurry up. I'm finna leave right now.
You're not gonna leave right now because you're sitting down. I'm not gonna go through this with you today. I promise I'm not. I promise I'm not going. I'm not even. I promise you. You can get lunch.
I'm finna leave right now.
You can get lunch.
I'm finna leave right now. I promise. I'm so cap. I never leave when I say I'm about to leave. And that's the funny part. Hey, Mikey. Most likely, Court is gonna beat my ass if I'm not at her house when she needs me to because she's hungry and I'm hungry and we both probably gonna have an attitude. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my ass on. Real shoes or slippers? I'm already wearing just a jacket and sweatpants, so I'm guessing slippers. Who gonna check me, boo? Who gonna check me, boo? I just feel like me and Court are gonna have a hard time deciding on what we want to eat. I never know what I want to eat. And this girl decided to tell me that she's gonna be a vegetarian. So, all I eat is chicken. Y'all, this ponytail is legit falling apart. At this point, fixing my braid, I don't even care. By the way, I know I have mentioned my planner. So this is my planner. It gives you the option to write down 3 of your monthly goals so you can stay on track. It lets you say something that you're very proud of. Your list of things for, you know, things that you need to buy. You can make a list, entertainment, different things, and then your total expenses so you know what you're spending for the month. And then just some random notes. This is my planner, this website, and it was on sale. You guys should really sponsor me because I really talk great things about this planner. Same way, same energy, honestly. Cause y'all gonna be petty. I was like, I feel like now I'm at the point where I could see myself having a partner and like I would love to have like a small little team by the end of the year. That's where I'd be like, I'm better off by myself. Trying to figure out when would be a good time to start coming out with my swimsuits. I need something for Cancun. For sure. I want to have everything done. Oh shit. That means like next month then. Yeah. So I want to have everything done, like photo shoots and all that shit done so I could drop it by beginning of March.
I feel like yours is fine though because people are going to start going on trips.
Sure.
It's spring break. Bitches looking for some shit.
Yeah, so March, yeah.
Bitches looking for some shit. Auntie duties.
So hey you guys, today is, let's see what today is Monday, January 21st. I just did my hair and makeup. If you want to know how to achieve this high ponytail look, go look at my last YouTube video. I did a tutorial on this high ponytail look, so if you're interested in learning how to achieve this look, go look at my last video. But anyways, ooh. Okay, so it is Monday. Double my ashy knee. I went to work at 6 this morning. I went to work from 6 to 10 o'clock this morning. I got really sick last night. Like, I started throwing up and I couldn't go to sleep until 3 o'clock. So I only got a couple hours of sleep, and then I went to work and I took a nap, and now I am back and better than ever. So I have to go back to work at 6 o'clock. So I worked from 6 to 10 this morning, and now I'm going back in from 6 to 10 this afternoon. So I'm trying to spend this time to do my business, personal work. And like I said, I like to do this work from bed. I have all of my marketing ordered, and my marketing came in the mail. I should show you guys my new marketing. My lash is about to come off. Dang, this turtleneck is just, this crew neck is just choking me. I kind of want to smoke a blunt, but I just don't know how my stomach feels. But yeah, let me know what other videos you guys want, and also help me figure out what I'm going to do to my hair next. I cannot figure out a hairstyle, but other than that, I think I'm gonna go ahead and roll up a blunt, because what else am I going to do? It's coming up in April and I have no idea what I'm doing still. So help me figure out what I should do for my birthday. Like, I'm turning 21. It is monumental. It is just a fucking celebration. You guys, my stomach really does kind of hurt. These lashes are like super sending, okay? Super sending, honey. Let's just take a moment of appreciation for this lighting. Like, can we just take a moment of appreciation, please? Once I hit 100 subscribers on YouTube, I'm going to get a ring light. No more of this inconsistency. By the fucking way, if I didn't mention this already, I am wearing Ramen Ink lashes. Get into this lash style. I'm wearing Ramen Ink Lashing Out. If you're interested in these lashes, please be sure to shop Ramen Ink. I'm also wearing Ramen Hair Collection Doha curly hair. So yeah, get into it. But anyways, if you are new to my channel, please be sure to comment, like, and subscribe for more videos from me. I promise I will try to keep this content coming and try to be consistent. Once I hit 100 subscribers, I'm going to get a, once I get 100 subscribers, I'm gonna get a ring light. So support me and please subscribe to my channel.